the honorable members and the entire media. The vote for I are 97 out of 71. The votes for nay is 2.8%, which are 2 votes. Therefore, the aye has it.
This is the Chair, Labour, Manpower and Social Welfare, Kisii County Assembly. It's in the public domain that a member of the Kisii County, a citizen of the Republic of Kenya, brought to this House a petition that was seeking the removal of the Kisii County Public Service Board from office because of violations of the Constitution and other written laws. The petition was tabled before the Kisii County Assembly, and then it was later on subjected to the Labour Committee. The Labour Committee has led several sittings to deliberate on the petition, and I want to tell the members of the public that the petitioner and the respondents, that is the members of the Kisii County Public Service Board, were given enough time to defend themselves, and also the petitioner to put his case before the committee. The committee that is comprised of members including myself as the Chair, Naftali Mkuba, the Vice Chair, Honorable Nchonga, we have Honorable Jacob Bagaka, Honorable Lilian Omundi, Honorable Celestine, and Honorable Umbachi. They made several sittings and later completed for report writing. So the report was ready and it has been tabled before the Kisii County Assembly. And in accordance with the standing orders, the members of the Kisii County Assembly have been given time to vote in support of the report. And I want to tell the members of the public that the board members of the Kisii County violated several articles of the Constitution and several standing orders, and therefore it concluded that the board should be disbanded and that the board should be sent home in entirety. The board members should be sent home in entirety. And the members of the Kisii County Assembly today demonstrated the support for the report, whereby they voted in support of removing the board from office by 69 votes against 2. So out of 71 members of the Kisii County Assembly, 69 voted in support and 2 voted against. That means the members had enough time to go through the report and made a decision that was independent. So as it stands, the Assembly has done its duty, and now what is left is implementation of the resolutions that were arrived at by the Kisii County.
Media personnel, I want also to make my observations about the same. Today was a very crucial day in the Kisii County Assembly because we were working on a motion which had no confidence in the Public Service Board. This board is very critical to this county assembly and to this county government because it's about the welfare of the county. When it comes to recruitment, it has a fair play. When it comes to promotions, it has a fair play. I want to say that the incoming board, wembe itakuwa ni ule. If you come na mfanye hiyo mchezo, umejua hii nyumba inapiga kama inataka. So next time, if you get this opportunity, kuja ukae ujue kuna makundi vijana wako hata walemavu wako. Advertise the jobs. If a disabled person qualifies for that, watch out. It's not about knowing anybody. So I want to caution the incoming board. Come in with a conscious mind, knowing that we are there to oversee. Thank you.
Mimi naitwa Mracha Henry, kiongozi wa walio wengi katika bunge letu la Kisii. Leo ningependa kushukuru wajumbe wenzangu sababu tumeenda kule bungeni tukajadili mswada ambao ulikuwa umepatiwa kamati kuu ya Labour. Tumeleta ule mswada bungeni na wajumbe wote tuko 71, but out of 71 wajumbe 69 wamepitisha ile report, na hata wale wawili walipinga. Si eti tunawachukia, ni haki yao, na tumeshukuru kwa kupinga kwao sababu minority wana say lakini sisi walio wengi tuna njia yetu. Na ningependa kumwambia gavana wetu kuwa ile board mahali ilikuwa imekaa zile ofisi, kama kiongozi wa walio wengi, nimesikia kuna fununu kuwa wale ambao wametimuliwa ofisini huenda wakachoma ile mahali. Kwa hivyo awe very keen, aweke security iwe enough pale, ili hao watu ambao wametimuliwa ofisini waende nyumbani, na kama wana shida kuna koti ambayo itasuluhisha hayo maneno.